Good afternoon. Just wanted to say hi to everybody. This is going to be our first little bit of an instructional video of kind of the products that we've offered for the brake duct cooling kits for the 07, 08s and the bezels that kind of go along with it. I want to say welcome to you live from Rent-A-Lift, 3490 East Virginia Beach Boulevard, Norfolk, Virginia. It's where all the race team and stuff happens at. I want to talk to you about a couple of things for the brake duct cooling kit plus the bezels as well. We've added everything to it. Everybody knows that we have the brake duct cooling bracket that goes to keep cool on the backside. Very simple for you guys. Whenever you got these, you have your 3-inch clamp that's going to go around. So it'll be here to tighten up on the hose as much as possible. The hose sits directly inside of it to give you the full, wrap the clamp around it. Everything will be perfectly fine when it goes over here with the 3-inch clamp that's provided in the kit. The next thing I want to talk about are the bezels. There's been a little bit of talk and conversation about the hose actually being 3 inches and the bezel itself actually being 3 inches. There's a couple of people that are curious about the potential to have what we have is the silicone step down bracket. So we have the 3-inch on this side and we have the 3.5 inch on this side. Gives us the opportunity to go on the outside of the bezel to be able to clamp it down and everything be perfectly fine. That makes sense to everybody, okay? But I'm going to show you 2 installation ways that you can do it. We have these reducers that we need in order to be on the outside if the person that's installing the kit chooses. I'm also going to show you an option 2 whenever I'm finished. So to start everything off, let's go ahead and put the bezel down. Let's move over to the side a little bit. I'm going to take the 3-inch clamp and I'm going to slide it on the hose. And then I'm going to take the 3.5 inch clip that you'll get on the other side. I'm going to put it on the hose. And then I'm going to push the reducer in. You have to squeeze this reducer and get this reducer in here as far as possible. And then you have to use your hand and use it to press it out, which is, it's going to take some force. And there goes the hose. It's going to take some force to where you can get it out to where it looks absolutely decent and a decent for you to be able to use it the way you, I know it's a little off a little bit, but it'll be fine. So this option right here gives you the ability to clamp on the outside. So you push the bezel on the outside, you bring your 3.5 inch clamp up and then you can tighten it this way. It's going to be close tolerance. You have not only your bumper, but you have the bezel that sits here too. It's going to be a little bit on the bulkier side. Easy enough. If you would like these reducers, people who have actually ordered the brake duct cooling kit, that if the bezels are going to set up this way and the reducers are going to help you for your installation, please do me a favor and make sure that you actually send an email, text message, a PM or anything that you can. Let us know that you want these reducers. There's a limited quantity of them. That way we can send them out to you for your installation kit and be perfectly fine. But I have an option 2 for you, and I want to show you the original design. The original design, which will remove these, slide these down and come off. The original design that we had for these, take the reducer out. The original, take these clamps off before I start throwing stuff around. We'll slide them on the table. The original design, let me slide back here to the table and set this back up for you before we hurt somebody. This hose is still 10 foot. We haven't cut it into the 5-foot pieces yet, so please bear with us. So the original design was to take the end of the hose, take the bezel, and to feed it on the inside. These hoses are wired, and they have the wires to go on the inside in order to be set and flush in there. Ultimately, what we're thinking is because we've given you 5 foot worth of hose, if pretend this is a sway bar or this is the part of the frame or whatever, you're going to make sure that there's a little bit of tension that's going to be sitting right here up against the fog light in the bumper. That way, there's no way that this can come out. There's no way that it can pop off. It can sit here, have tension on it, and be perfectly fine. And then when I say pushed all the way down, that there's no way that's coming off. We've tried it on multiple occasions. We've tried it on multiple assemblies. But ultimately, having pressure behind it and this being screwed into your bumper, it gives you the option to just install it this way and push the hose inside with the guarantee that it's not going to come out. So we're doing our best to show you everything that we can for the 2 ways that you can install these. You can either put it here this way, or you can use the reducer, set it up, and put it on the outside. Whatever best application is for you, let us know. And if you've ordered the brake duct cooling kit, do me a favor and send us a PM, Facebook Messenger, or send us an email to either Justin Emmanuel at CarrollShelbyRacing.com or T Harden at CarrollShelbyRacing.com. I am Tony Harden from Carroll Shelby. I should have told you that from the beginning. And we will get these sent out to you as quickly as possible if that helps you for the installation kit for you. But I don't want you guys to forget, right? Don't forget, we got our 07, 08 Shelby cap sets, all right? Very limited in the quantity that we have left before they're gone. Don't forget, we have our apparel, we have our t-shirts, we have our sweatshirts, we have our hoodies, we have our pit crew polos, different colors. We got the orange, we also got the blue, we also got the red, and we also got the hoodies. The hoodies are the ones that are inlaid with the Carroll Shelby Racing. It's a light hoodie, it's not a heavy hoodie. It'll be great for fall time to keep you warm. Last but not least, let's not forget about, we got hats, we still got stickers, decals, patches. We still have a lot of the other merchandise. If there's anything that you would like, anything that you need, just go to CarrollShelbyRacing.com. Visit the site with anything that you need. I hope that this video has helped you out. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. Shelby Bash, folks. Hope you have a great time. We're starting the race season up about that time, and look forward to seeing everybody at NASA Mid-Atlantic this year. Going to have a good time. If there's anything you need, send us a message, call us, send us an email. Greatly appreciate your time, and you have a great day.